Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment so logging Beaver can ingest data immediately. First, install version 1, 2 or newer and verify the binary is in your path. This avoids path errors. Then create a dedicated project folder and add a minimal config. IML specifying source paths and retention policy so logs don't pile up. Once done, run the initial scan with Beaver init source. /logs mode live to register sources and create baseline indices. This jumpstarts indexing and validates permissions. Now you configure how logs are interpreted and enriched. You define parsers for JSON, syslog, or custom regex, so fields like timestamp and user are extracted consistently, which improves search accuracy. Then add transformation and enrichment rules in rules. IML to add context, IP-geo, service tags, or derived fields, because enriched logs enable faster triage. Make sure to test locally with Beaver test config. IML sample 1000. This catches parsing errors and prevents corrupt. Finally, you start production ingestion and keep an eye on health. Launch Beaver run config. IML workers to parallelize parsing and speed throughput. Adjust workers to match CPU. Then monitor runtime metrics via Beaver metrics or the /metrics endpoint and watch queue depth, error rates, and disk usage so you can react quickly. If something breaks, first inspect parser error logs and permissions, then verify retention and disk settings. Fixing those 3 issues resolves most failures and restores flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.